In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money into your Binance account very fast. We are going to use a process called P2P. P2P basically means peer-to-peer. This is a marketplace that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrency between each other. You can buy Bitcoin, you can buy USDT, you can buy USDC and other cryptocurrencies. Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world and it is available in over 180 plus countries. So you can basically deposit funds into the Binance exchange using different methods, whether you want to use bank or you want to use your local method of payment in your country. Without wasting much of your time, let me take you to the back end of my phone and show you about this process. So friends, we are in the Binance app. If you don't have a Binance account, kindly ensure to check the Binance playlist and watch how to create and verify your account. I've already made a video on that. When you basically log into the app, you are just going to go right at the top where you are seeing this arrow pointing, you are seeing deposit. Alright, you are just going to just tap in deposits. When you tap in deposit, you are seeing P2P trading and you are seeing at the top you are recommended. So you just tap in P2P. Alright, so this is the P2P homepage. I'm going to explain to you what you need to do next. The first thing you basically need to do is to select your currency at the top here where you're seeing this arrow pointing. Now you are seeing TRY. This is because I'm currently residing in Turkey. This is the Turkish lira. You can just go ahead and select whatever currency. Alright, if you are from Sierra Leone, just tab in what the Sierra Leone leons, you see SLL and you just tab in. Okay, so you are just now, this is the Sierra Leone leons. If you want to buy one USDT, you are going to pay 24,200 leons. If you are from Nigeria, you just come back to the top and you just select what your NGN or whatever country you are from. This is currently 1,500 for one USDT. So you can just select your currency here. They are all available here. So I'm going to select back my Turkish lira because I'm in Turkey. After selecting this, the next thing you basically want to do is to come here and select, alright, is to basically come and select what your coin you want to buy. So this is USDT. If you just type in there, you're going to see different coin. So you see we have USDT, BTC, and other different cryptocurrencies. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to buy USDT. Okay, so after selecting USDT, the next thing you want to basically do is you are going to enter your amount. To enter the amount, just look where this arrow is pointing again and just tab in and enter your amount. So I'm going to enter 250 Turkish lira and I'm going to tab in confirm. So this is the amount of what coin you want to buy. Okay, so you can enter based on your currency. The next thing you are going to basically do is to come here where this arrow is also pointing again and tap payment. This is where you are going to select your payment option. So for my country, these are the payment options that are available. Okay, there are a lot of payment options, but I'm going to select bank transfer and I tap confirm. So if you want to use your local payment, you are going to see them. Just select the payment option that is available for you. So now, when you select amount 250, they are only going to show you the people that are ready to what sell to you, all right, within your range. The next thing you want to do before you go ahead and buy your crypto, which is very important, is to look at the amount of trades where you are saying this arrow is pointed, the amount of trades that have been executed by this particular trader. So you are basically saying for this one, we have 59 trades and 100% completion rate. And if you go again to the second trader, you just move and you go to the second trader, you can basically see this trader that is called Django has basically completed 2,488 trades, which is very good. And the completion rate is basically 100%, which means it's very fast to comply. So if you basically want to buy, you are going to buy 1 USDT for 31.40 Turkish lira. So this is what I'm going to do. In as much as this one also have like few trades, but I can basically go ahead and do this. So I prefer buying to Django because of high completion rate and a lot of trades have been executed. So this time you are basically seeing here is the amount at the time which the transaction is going to what proceed. Okay, so I'll just come here and what tab in buy. So when you tab in buy, basically you have two forms of payment. You can either pay by fiat, which means if you pay with your currency, you just enter 250. This is 250 Turkish lira. I'm going to receive 7.96 USDT. Okay, 7.96 USDT. Or you can pay by crypto as well. You are going to enter the amount of USDT you want. Let's say I want to buy 7. Okay, so I need to pay 219 Turkish lira, as you are seeing. So I'm just going to go back and use the fiat. So I will enter 250, all right, Turkish lira, and I'm going to enter buy USDT. So when you enter buy, you just start being skipping all that. Now, basically, this is just like summary, okay? This is just like summary of what is. Make sure you basically read the payment term of what. You just tab in read more and you read, all right? So this particular terms, like for example, this one is saying when you're doing your transfer, don't mention anything about crypto like USDT payment, BTC, no, all right? If you are paying through bank or whatever payment method, so don't just enter these ones and all. So the next thing is basically this is summary. I'm just going to come here, scroll and so what, make payment, tab in make payment. So this is basically what the bank account details of what the seller. Okay, so now I'll just look here and just go ahead and select the one that is more suitable for me and do the payment. So I'll just select this. Okay, I'll say skip. So and after which I'll just copy these details, do the payment and come back to you guys. So guys, I've transferred the fund into the buyer's account. Now I've just what tab in what, all right, inform the payer that I've basically transferred the fund. So now what you are basically seeing here is what deposited. Okay, so you can provide feedback. You say deposit into your funding account 7.96 USDT received. Okay, so you can basically say 7.96 USDT received. As soon as you just made the payment, then you are going to basically give like a little bit of time and do. So now you say how was your trading? You can select positive. Okay, then leave what comment if you want to leave comments. All right, now you can just go back and that's basically what you are done with. So if you want to order again, you can basically order again. So you come back, let's go back now, let's go back and you come here. All right, so just come to your account. Now I have 15.457. all right, so I have what a new amount that have been deposited. If you come to the top here, just come to my notification, then basically you are going to see what P2P order. All right, your order has what 7.96 has been completed, as you can basically see from here. Okay, if you just read this particular one has been what completed. So this is basically how you just go ahead and do your deposit into the using the P2P payment. So there are some things I just want to explain to you as well, which is like very key. So now if you are going to transfer money, make sure you do the transfer first before ever you press transfer. Don't press transfer and you have not transferred the money. Binance is going to what hold your fund and your account is going to be on problem if the seller basically like what report you. All right, the one which you are buying from report you that you have not transferred and you are basically saying you have transferred, your account is going to be an issue. And the other next thing you basically need to know is like whenever you are doing transfer, be it your local way of sending money or through bank, never mention anything about crypto when doing the payment. Your account, you are going to put the account of what you want that you are buying from in problem as well. And moreover, don't be scared. This one is very secure because as soon as you ordered, all right, let's say I've ordered the 7.9 USDT. What is going to basically happen is Binance is going to hold this crypto that I've ordered from the particular buyer or what the seller. Then if they are going to just hold on to this particular crypto until the payment is what successful, and you can just go ahead and they are going to release your crypto. So when you basically send payment, the Like, you are not going to basically just release the crypto like that. The buyer basically needs, like the seller basically needs to check first if you have truly sent the money, and after which then they can basically go ahead and release the crypto. In the next upcoming video, I'm going to show you how you can basically sell your crypto as well in the Binance exchange. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly ensure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video to others, and drop a comment. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'm going to respond within 24 hours. Thank you. I'm Joseph. See you on upcoming tutorials.